You hesitate in the dark. 1,800 lumens. 130 meters ahead. Trail shows first. You react first. Heat on your forehead wears you down. Battery separated from the lamp. The heat stays off your head. Run through to sunrise. You sweat. The lamp stays cool. Infinite dial system. Brightness and warmth. Tune instantly. One twist. 70-degree adjustable angle. Head stays level. Neck stays natural. 4,000 milliampere hours. Up to 172 hours. Battery direct charge. Hidden in the housing. Better waterproof. Swap and go. No downtime. Just keep moving. Breathable band. Silicone grip. Wider plate. No bounce, just comfort. Steep climbs, ridge lines, rain, snow. One light, every trail.